The address of operator returns the hexadecimal address of not only the variable, but it also works with arrays. Let's understand it with a code and illustration. When I declare int arr of 4 is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, then internally it looks like this. Now, if I want to refer to this 1002, then I can say cout 0th address and join the address of arr of 0. Let's run the code, and of course it does not show 1002 as that was just for illustration. But now you see the exact address. In my case, the int occupies 4 bytes due to 64-bit OS. But if I say cout address of arr of 1, then the next location has to be this hex value plus 4. Let's run it. And there you see the next location. So this way you can display every element's address. In fact, you can put a loop and display. Hope this gives you a clear idea. One more point to keep in mind is that every array name is address of its 0th element. Let's prove this statement with an example. I will keep this address of arr of 0 and remove the rest. Let me also say cout array name and let me join arr to it. Let's run this. And you can see that address of arr of 0 and arr return the same value. So to repeat, array name itself is the address of its 0th element, or array name refers to the 0th element, or array name points to its 0th element. All these are the same.